This is President Thomas, CEO. Consecutive sentences. If you are sentenced of more than one crime, you will complete the sentence for the first crime before your time starts for the next one. Contempt of court. Acting out in court, such as talking without permission, raising your voice, and leaving your seat. You could get in trouble for doing these things, like receiving a fine or jail time. Conviction. A court finding of guilty. Courtroom. The place where a hearing or trial happens. Evidence. Items and information about your case that are discussed in court. Fine. Money that is paid to the court as a punishment for breaking the law. Oh, when you raise your right hand and promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in court. Plea bargain. A deal made with the prosecutor attorney by you and your attorney. You could be offered a lighter punishment if you plead guilty in a plea bargain. Perjury. Lying in court, not telling the truth on an oath. Suspended sentences. The judge has given you a sentence, but based on his or her belief that you can turn yourself around, you won't have to serve jail time if you stay out of trouble. Testimony. What witnesses say in court under oath. Trial. The court process in a criminal case to decide if the defendant is not guilty or guilty. There are two types of trials, jury trial and a bench trial. In a jury trial, 12 of your peers will listen to testimony, look at evidence, and will decide if you are guilty or not guilty. Verdict. If they find you guilty, the judge will decide a sentence. In a bench trial, the judge will listen to testimony, look at evidence and will decide if you are guilty or not guilty. Verdict. If the judge finds you guilty, he or she will decide a sentence. The defendant talks with the attorney and choose which type of trial they would like. Verdict. The decision by the jury or judge of not guilty or guilty.